Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel, exploring the contemporary hanging chair designs for stylish home decor. Reveals a world of innovation and comfort that can transform any living space into a chic and inviting oasis. These chairs offer a unique blend of aesthetics and relaxation, making them a statement piece in modern interior design. One notable trend is the use of variety of materials, including wicker, rattan, and sleek metal in the construction of hanging chairs. The diversity not only caters to different design preferences but also ensures durability and comfort. Designs range from classic swing chairs to more futuristic pod-like shapes, allowing homeowners to choose a style that complements their decor. These chairs often serve as eye-catching focal points that draw the eye and add personality to a room. Hanging chairs are not limited to indoor spaces. They are increasingly popular on outdoor patios and in gardens. Their ability to create a cozy and relaxing atmosphere in various settings makes them a versatile decor choice. The incorporation of comfortable cushions and throws is common, providing additional style and coziness to the chair. These accessories allowing for customization and personalization, matching the overall home decor theme. Lighting is a pivotal element in creating a captivating ambiance. Hanging chairs are often positioned in areas with plenty of natural light, but additional lights or string lights can further enhance the chair's presence. In conclusion, contemporary hanging chair designs are all about style, comfort, and versatility. They offer an ideal balance of aesthetics and functionality, adding a unique touch to modern home decor. By embracing these trends, you can create an inviting and visually appealing space where you can relax and unwind in style. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.